Hi, I'm Mark. Now, I imagine that you're not here for something ordinary. For you, I'm guessing it's a bit more unconventional, maybe even something a bit more daring, right? Well, if that is the case, then I've got the perfect cars for you. The new BMW X5M and the new BMW X6M, both available as either core or competition models. Finished in an attention-grabbing Marina Bay blue metallic, this car is clearly the BMW X5M competition. And while the X genes are definitely noticeable, they've had a serious upgrade with the M-specific high-performance design concept, creating an extroverted and individual look. The front end's strong and distinctive from other X models, and both M models are distinguished by their own unique front apron design. The newly designed kidney grille with its frame and M double bars, both here in high gloss black, really stand out as prominent features. With up to 625 horsepower, the new BMW X5M and X6M have plenty of power. So these large black vents on the front here are big enough to accommodate all of the necessary cooling. The front design flows smoothly into the side and features that typical BMW shark nose. To achieve optimum cornering performance, both competition models come with different size wheels, so 21 inches at the front, 22 inches at the rear. Protruding wheel arches in body colour underline this model's wide track and provide it with a sports car-like presence. The M-specific side mirrors come in a double-arm character and are painted on the competition model in high gloss black. Something else that looks great are the air breather elements with M grille and integrated M logo. The bold design continues at the rear, and here the BMW X5M and the BMW X6M clearly differ in design. The X5M has this M-specific roof spoiler, whereas on the X6M it has a gurney spoiler in black for the competition model. And of course, the model badge also comes in black too. And don't forget the M Sport exhaust system in chrome black, featuring the signature 2 double tailpipes with a diameter of 100mm. While the exterior presents itself as a bit of an extrovert, the inside shines with unrivaled exclusiveness. So let's take a closer look. Sitting comfortably in this supportive M multifunctional seat with semi-integrated headrest, you'll start to notice a lot of M-specific elements around you. The BMW X5M and the BMW X6M come equipped with the very latest M-specific instrument cluster and head-up display to give you, the driver, all the relevant information exactly where you need it. Looking at the center console, you might miss the 3 well-known buttons for adjusting individual systems: engine, dampers and steering. Well, to emphasize more intuitive handling, they've been replaced with this setup button. This one accesses a menu up here in the central information display. From there you can easily adjust and customize your own desired setup based on your individual tastes. Those settings can then be saved to the M1 and M2 buttons for easy recall later. Adjacent to the setup button you'll find the new M mode button, and by pressing it you can easily switch between the drive modes, road, sport and track. Those modes are displayed up in the central information display too. But of course there's more to these vehicles than just striking design elements. Equipped with a 4.4 litre V8 twin-power turbo engine, both competition models are capable of producing up to 625 horsepower. And that means that a maximum torque of up to 750 Newton meters is possible. And of course, both models come equipped with the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission with drive logic. From 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.9 seconds, or even 3.8 seconds with the competition model. The MX Drive comes with the active M differential, and that combination gives better traction and agility whilst giving maximum control at the same time. The drive torque is variably distributed between front and rear wheels, and you can easily switch between four-wheel drive and four-wheel drive sport. The combination of the M suspension and the M strut package give a really precise and agile steering behaviour, whilst keeping high long-distance comfort levels too. The BMW X5M and the BMW X6M also feature racetrack-proof cooling systems, giving optimal component cooling for maximum output, even on heavy-duty use. And let's not forget that high-performance M compound brake. Now that is a technology directly influenced by motorsports. Uncontested performance, striking technology and unrivaled exclusiveness. The BMW X5M and BMW X6M demonstrate enthusiasm for state-of-the-art technology and design, the perfect combination for the individual lifestyle.